Alright, I'll be working on this BAB DESS5. It's an orange belt. I'll be doing a little of a topic keyway and standard hook. It has a pretty wide open keyway, so just going in here, not really much paracentric to it, so pretty easy wide open keyway. Checking 1, binding on 1, no clicking on 1, 2, 3 is binding, fill off of it. There's a click on 3, go back to 1. Go a little click on 1, go to 2, and we're into a false set, as you can see. Alright, so now looking for spool. There's counter rotation on 4. Lighten up the tension a lot. Alright, there's 4, just leaves 5. Went into a deeper false set, tells me I'm on the right spool. So allowing the counter rotation. Okay, I'm gonna get caught a little bit, release the pressure a little, then add more tension, and it opened. Alright, so that's a good open. Move this out of the way. Gunning station there. Let's get it centered on it. Okay. Alright. Let's open it up. Get the key. I made my own little personal C-clip. That's a little bit better. So what I did was I had to drill this off to get the mechanism out. But what I did was I made my own little C-clip, and it has a little edge that kind of acts as a C-clip on this edge, but then fills up the whole cap. Alright, so we'll put it off to the side. Alright. Okay, even with the key, it gets caught a little bit, and that's why you saw when I got that final open that I had to release a little pressure. That happens. Alright, put that there. Alright, so here's the first pin. Second pin. Come on, keep in. Might help her out. Okay, go. Next pin. Go. 4 and pin 5. Alright, standard 5 pin. Nothing on here. No edges or anything like that. Orange bolt. Wouldn't expect that with an orange bolt. So let's just rearrange these key pins just to look a little bit prettier. Drop it all over the place. Good, okay, key pins look a little pretty. We'll take this core, put it over here for now. Alright, now let's take this out. Hand better. Alright, so the first one is a standard, very long standard. Next one is another standard, that's a long standard. Third one is another standard. And fourth one is a spool. And fifth one is another spool. Okay. Alright, and there you have. There's the springs. Nothing too crazy on it. I'll give you a close up. Okay, so you have your 3 standards and 2 spools. That's all I got.